Hey guys, you all ever wanted to try cross stitch but thought it looked too complicated? This quick and easy cross stitch tutorial will help you become a cross stitch master in no time. This stitch pattern is an amazing sampler to commemorate your lovely new home or just to celebrate you living in a place you love. So enjoy the tutorial. Thanks.
Hello friends, welcome to our new wall hanging video. Today we are showing you a cross stitch handcraft. You can hang this beautiful piece of art in your living room or wherever you like. We'll show you how to make these flowers and the letters by cross stitch. Here we go! These are the only things we need. We need a piece of Aida cloth. You can decide the color of the cloth. There are several colors in the market. A hoop, tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, and embroidery floss with preferred colors. First, insert the cloth to the hoop. It's very easy. You can try this stitch at home. We do all these designs by cross stitches like this. Let's make our first flower. I'll finish it quickly. We have nicely done our first flower. Let's add some leaves. For the leaves, I am using 2 shades of green. If you are referring a graph, you can count the squares like this. It's done. I am adding some buds too. Let's stitch the second flower now. Our design is building up step by step. Let's add some more leaves. Now I am repeating the same process here. It's halfly done. Let's add another flower here. We are getting the shape now. Do you love it? We use these flowers, leaves and buds to make a round shape. Now it's time to stitch the letters inside. I'm going to stitch the words, "This home is blessed." Use the same cross shapes. The word I am making here is home. We have made the H already. Instead of O, I'll stitch a small colorful house like this. Let's move on. Okay friends, here's the surprise. If you need, you can stitch something else here. To fill the gaps, we have added some twigs here. What do you think? Isn't it beautiful? Hope you have enjoyed the video. Love you.